Hello, Troll School again. I'm going to read a story for you today. It's called The Busy Bee. I'll have some questions along the way and some prompts for you, okay? Let's start. The Busy Bee by Kenna Kuhn and Grace Dennis. Have you ever tasted honey? Maybe on your sandwich or in your tea? Trolls, what's your favorite way to eat honey? That delicious gooey honey is all thanks to our great friends, bees. How many bees can you count in this picture? It's quite a lot. Bees live in groups called hives. As many as 60,000 bees work together to build honeycomb and make honey. What shapes are in those honeycombs? Each hive has thousands of worker bees, but only one queen bee. Worker bees stay very busy taking care of the queen, building honeycomb, and collecting pollen to make honey. Trolls, do you see any patterns in this picture? Bees fly as far as 3 miles away from the hive to collect pollen from flowers. That's a long way for a little bee. How many legs does a bee have? How many do you see in this picture? How about antenna and wings? When bees return to the hive, they do a dance called the waggle to tell their friends where the good flowers are. Do you think you can do a waggle? What does a waggle look like? As bees fly from flower to flower, they help pollinate many of our plants. Do you have a favorite flower? Does it help the bees pollinate? Without bees, we wouldn't have delicious tomatoes, peppers, and other fruits and vegetables. Thanks, bees! Do you have a favorite vegetable? What vegetables are in this picture? Do you see a pattern? The end. Hi again. What a great story. I love bees. I just wanted to go over the questions again, and maybe we can talk about them during our meeting. First, I asked you guys, what's your favorite way to eat honey? I like it on toast. And then I asked, how many bees did you see in that picture? Did you count them? I got 16, but I thought it was a little tricky because it was pretty blurry. Do you see any patterns on the bees or on the flowers in those pictures? How many legs does a bee have? Did you count them? Did you count their antenna and their wings? Then can you do a waggle dance? Maybe we can all do our waggle dances together. What's your favorite flower? Does it help the bees pollinate? What about a favorite vegetable? What vegetables did you see in that last picture? Also, did you see a pattern? Thanks, friends!